Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I'll let to show you the way how you can turn off the red receipt on Instagram. So red receipt is information that received by the sender of the message after you read the message that they sent to you, so they will know either you already read the message that they sent or not. So if you want to keep hidden for this information, you just need to open the Instagram, visit your profile, and click the straight lines on the top right corner and just go click settings and privacy. Now just get to scrolling down until you found the how others can interact with you, and then you just need to go click comment. My bad, you just need to go click message and story replies, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on the second box, which is the who can see your that you are online, and then you just need to go click show red receipt. And if you want to keep it off, just go click this button until this button is in the left side or with the gray color on it. Means that now you will not gonna have a red receipt, and the people who send you the message will not gonna know like either you want to or either you already have the message being read or not. That's for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoy it a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.